Algebra 2, Concept 17. This is numbers 10 and 12 from worksheet 17.2b. And directions in numbers 10 and 12 ask us to find the sum of each infinite geometric series using the formula you derived in number 6. So we'll show that formula in a minute. Infinite, remember, meaning you never literally stop adding these terms. Geometric, now that's telling us that there's a multiplying pattern in the list that we're given. Now the first of all, this formula is a sub 1 minus r. Remember that a sub 1 represents the first term, and then r is the multiplier. So if we look at our list in number 10, our first term is given to us right there. Boom, that's it. First term is 3. So in this example, we're going to start with the 3 there. 1 minus. Now the r, again, is what's multiplying by each time. If it's tough to find, remember you can choose any of these numbers and divide by the one right before it. If I'm going to choose the 1, because if I take that 1 and divide by the one before it, that's 1 divided by 3. So my r value is actually 1/3. That's why I'm multiplying by 1/3 each time. Now to subtract, to simplify this 1 whole becomes 3/3 to match this for common denominator. So it becomes 3/2/3. And then I switched to some old school division symbols. 3 divided by 2/3, because now I want to take that division, change it to multiplication, and this now flips to 3/2. And now when I multiply straight across, I get 9/2. So I can actually leave that fraction 9/2, or I can divide and get the decimal of 4.5. So there is my sum for the infinite geometric series in number 10. Number 12, move this over. Same formula again, a sub 1 over 1 minus r. First term again is right there in the list. There's the 1, that's my first term. 1 minus. Now if I look at what's happening here, I'm going to take a look at these signs. Notice I have positive going to negative, positive, negative, which means that I'm multiplying by a negative value. So there should be a negative something in there. And going from 1 to 1/4, that's using a fraction of 1/4. I'm multiplying by 1/4 each time. So this is now negative 1/4 inside. And that's one thing you really have to be careful of when you look at the signs. On these other problems, 11 and 13, you don't have to worry about it because they're all addition, they're all plus. But here it's alternating, so now we're multiplying by that negative. This now simplifies to 1 plus 1/4. This 1 whole becomes 4/4. Which means it's 1/5/4. And again, like last time, 1 divided by 5/4. This is over 1. Changed it to multiplication, becomes 4/5. So this is 1 whole times this. So my final fraction, my final answer is just 4/5, or if you got a decimal, 0.8.